Video going to be very special, guys, because in this video we will be comparing Codex with Claude code, and the best way to compare is to build something. Alright, so here I was thinking of building an advanced level of to-do planner that can help me to plan my day. And let me quickly open Visual Studio Code, and here I already have configured ChatGPT plus Claude in my system. Now all here I'm gonna do is I am going to choose a folder, and probably I think I also need to have another instance of Visual Studio so that both can run together. Alright, so this is, let's say, Visual Studio Code where I'm gonna use Claude, and now I'm gonna take another instance, and here I am going to run Codex. Just to save time, as I was mentioning, I already have configured both Codex as well as Claude code. I'm gonna say here Codex. Okay, and there you go. Now we are ready in both the cases, and here as you can see we have defined to-do list folder here, and in this case we have defined Codex as the name of folder. Now let me start working with Claude. So here I need to first of all trust this folder, and now Claude is getting initialized. And let me ask Claude, I need to build a powerful Next.js app that needs to be one of the most advanced as well as user friendly, so that I can plan my day and can efficiently manage my task. Please also mold it for content creators, again keeping work management in mind. And there you go. Now I'm gonna hit enter. Now what I'm gonna do next here is I am going to copy same prompt here to ChatGPT. Alright, now let's hit enter here as well, and let's see how both respond. Probably I also can close this welcome window, and here we can see how fast the Codex is. We already can see Codex have created some of basic code here, and now creating entire app, and seems like it is already done while Claude is still going through. Now let me quickly run these commands, which is npm install and npm dev. And in fact I'm gonna ask Codex to do it for me. Alright, let's see if it can run these commands as well, and for that again I need to allow the permission. Now one more thing I wanted to let everyone know, I am here assuming that you know nothing about coding, and then we are simply asking AI to create app for us. Alright, so I am comparing both these Claude code as well as Codex from that perspective. Alright, so seems like here in case of ChatGPT everything is done, however Claude is still going on, and let's quickly get started. Alright, so here the app is available at following port, and there you go. Here we can see it says powerful Nexus, advanced task and creator workflow management. It says upcoming task 3, completed 0, and creator ideas 3. So these are upcoming, which is in planning phase. Then here probably I can create more tasks. For example, record video for Technoholic AI, and I'm gonna click on add. Now of course, since there is no backend, it will not be saved permanently. We need to do a lot here. So all in all, what we got is focus planner, then content creator hub, which is designed for ideation, pipeline and launch ready planning. And here I can mark these actions completed if they are completed or not. Then here I can create a content idea. I can write anything here. Let's say I'm gonna write Claude, and it is being added to content creation hub. However, there is no option to delete it, and then it shows daily workflow, which is also kind of cannot be edited, which doesn't look good. Now let me go back here and see what is going on from Claude. And as you can see here, it is still kind of planning, and actually the status says building now. So seems like all we need to do here is we need to still wait. So let's wait for a while. And after waiting for half an hour, I finally got an error, which is Claude response exceeded 32,000 output token maximum. Now I increased the maximum output token to 64,000. But I would say the way I have kept this prompt for Claude is not optimized. There is a plan mode in Claude, which I think is better rather than asking Claude to build something complicated. Now again, it have started rebuilding the app, and I will again wait for a while. And again, it failed with the same issue. And this time I decided to change the mode. For that, I need to press Shift and Tab, and then here. Now I'm gonna change it to plan mode. Now I'm gonna ask the same thing back again, and I'm gonna write make a plan first. Alright, let's hit enter. And by the way, since I run this 2 times, there is one more issue that happened with Claude. My limit got exhausted. Despite I am using $20 plan, Claude is not generous enough like ChatGPT. And now here we can see the plan, and I'm gonna also say yes, I auto accept the changes, and I'm hoping that this time we should be able to build the app. Alright, finally after some time I finally saw this message, which now giving me the plan how it want to start. So if you agree to this plan, you can give it a go ahead by saying build it, because it took really a lot of time. And in case of Claude as well, you may require to provide access in between, so please take care of that. And there you go, finally I have got something from Claude. After 2 times my limit got exhausted. Let's see whether it was worth it. And still you can see, the program still keep on going. But let me quickly run this by clicking here on go live, and here we go. We can see here there is a stark difference what ChatGPT have built, which is very basic one, versus what Claude Code was able to build. So there is definitely day and night difference, because if you remember, I asked here I need one of most advanced and user-friendly site, and this is exactly what Claude does. Instead of saying advanced task and creator workflow management, it actually came up with this kind of interface. Now here one can see the overall status and can create the task, add description. Maybe I can do that. First task, I'm gonna say. Then here I get a description. Then here I can define priority, and you may see there are some issues with it, which of course I am expecting because this is not the complete code. And then here, this way you can create the task, you can even create it reoccurring. That's even better. And we can also see what we have in our pipeline. We can create idea, and you can see, I also ask it to make it more optimized for content creator, which we can see here. All right. And then I can also see how busy my calendar look like. And here I can have notes, habits, focus, analytics, settings, and so on. So I would say, so this particular app is really kind of complete by its own, and the game here is whole next level when compared to ChatGPT Codex. Now if you ask me which one is better, that would be contextual. For example, if you are a programmer, maybe in your case ChatGPT Codex gonna give you certain feature that you have asked for. But if you are beginner, or if you want AI to deliver everything for you, then in that case Claude Code looks like 2 generations ahead compared to ChatGPT Codex. Tell me, what is your opinion on both these coding agents and which one you prefer? Do let us know in comment down below, and if you are new to this channel, I would definitely recommend you to subscribe to Technoholic AI for more such AI related content. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.